Hello everybody, I am Asaduzzaman Biswas. In my previous tutorial I was discussing about string functions, and today I came again to discuss few more about this string function. Today I will discuss about the functions. What are the functions? I will discuss this function repeat. I will discuss this function include, and I start with, and the last one will be today's discussion end with. Right, I like to discuss these string functions today tutorial, so let us discuss this with example. Okay, great, so let us start. First I will explain this repeat method. Okay, so I will use this method on this string. Okay, great, so I should write in this way. Okay, great, repeat. Okay, repeat. I like to repeat this string, so let us see what the output we are getting from this method. Okay, so I will store the result returned by this function repeat inside this variable val1. So I like to see what the result I got from it. So let us write down val1 here, semicolon, and now save it and go to output. Oh no, I am getting nothing here, means I did some mistakes. Okay, yes, I did some mistake here. I did not write how many times I like to repeat this string. I like to repeat this string 2 times, so let us go to output now. Okay, great, look, now I got this. Look, this hi, welcome you Hasina, and welcome you Khaleda. Hi, again, this is repeated here, right? So by using this function repeat, we can repeat our string number of times. Okay, now I will discuss another function, that is your includes. What include, right? What this include function will do, include function will search your given word within the string. That means if we write here, suppose Hasina, we will write here Hasina, means this include function will find Hasina inside this string. If it got Hasina inside this string, in that case it will return true, right? Otherwise it will return false. So let us take a variable and store the result. Okay, so fine. Okay, now we will check what the result we got from this include function. So I will use here alert, and then I like to see what is inside val2, right? Semicolon. We go to the output and check it. Okay, look, oh no, here I got nothing, means I did some mistake. Let us see what mistake I did. Oh no, here I write include, it will be includes. Okay, so let us see the output now. Look, I got true because this Hasina is within this string. Now if I write Hasina 1 2 3 something like this, and let us see what the output we get from this function. Okay, look, now we are getting false because Hasina 1 2 3 is not within this string, right? So includes, this function is used to search something inside a given string. Okay, now we will go to another function, that is your, suppose, ends with. That is your end with. Okay, write down something here. We write down end with the Khaleda. So we will first check the output, what the output we are getting from here. We will store the output inside this variable val3. Okay, fine. Now let us check what is inside val3, right? So it will be a larth, and then we will write down what we will write down here. We will write down here val3. So let us see what the output you are getting now, right? Let us save it and go to output. Oh no, I did some mistakes. So let us, oh no, here again I did mistake spelling. It will be ends with, right? Now I'll go to output and let us check the output true, right? Because this string ends with this Khaleda, right? That's why it is returning true. If it's not, in that case it would return false. Suppose if we write here this like this, there is and go to output, save it, we are getting false, because at the end of this string there is Khaleda, not Khaleda 1 2 3. Right? Now we will go to another function that is starts with, right? So let us write down str dot starts with. We will check at the beginning of this string there is a high or not. This function will check at the beginning of the string there is a high or not. If there is a high, in that case it will return true, otherwise it will return false. Okay, so we will store the result inside this variable val4, and let us check what is inside this variable val4. Okay, so let us check. We are going to output and we will check it, getting true, right? But instead of high, if I wrote something, suppose if I wrote this welcome here, obviously this string doesn't start with welcome, so it should return false. So let us see what is the output we are getting here. Look, we are getting false, right? So using these functions we can check a number of things. It starts with, we can check it starts with the given string or not. This function will check a string, at the end of the string there is this given word or not. If it is, it will return true, otherwise false. Includes will check the given string is exist inside the string or not, inside the given string or not. And this repeat will repeat a number of times, repeat the string number of times, right?